tunc duces principesque nerviorum, qui aliquem sermonis additum causamque amicitiae cum Cicerone habebant, colloquii se velle dicunt. Then, okay, here's our subject. The leaders and chiefs of the Nervi, that's our subject. Of course, that's the genitive over here. And then we have a relative clause describing our subject, starting here and going all the way down here. Who, let's see, ad item, of course, goes with aliquem. So aliquem sermonis ad item is one direct object. And then we have another direct object out here, causam amicitiae. Notice genitive going with causam. So direct object 1, direct object 2, prepositional phrase here with Cicero. And then here's the verb of the relative clause. So who, we're having this thing and this thing with Cicero. Okay, so here's our main verb, dicunt. These guys say, which of course introduces an accusative infinitive construction right here. The subject of the accusative infinitive is say, and then the verb is velle, which of course takes its own complementary infinitive. They say that they want to do this. Moving on. Facta potestate, e adem quae ambiorix cum tutorio egerat commemorant. Okay, ablative absolute. This is your noun, potestate. This is the participle, so with this thing having been that thinged. E adem quae, that, those very same things which, it's probably accusative. It just feels accusative. Oh, and that's good because we've got a subject over here, nominative, prepositional phrase, cum tutorio. Okay, those very same things which, ambiorix, oh, it's a nice nifty relative clause that goes like this. Which ambiorix had pulled on Sabinus. Yeah, they're trying the same tricks. Commemorant, there's your verb, talking about what these leaders do. These leaders, they say this, and these leaders do this verb to this direct object, those very same things, and then this is a relative clause describing those things. Okay, oh, and then omnem esse in armis Galliam. Okay, we are jumping into a ginormous indirect statement. How do we know? Well, we've got this commemorant, plus we've got an accusative infinitive construction there. Prepositional phrase. So there is one thing that they say, and we'll bracket it off. One indirect statement. Let's keep going. Germanos renum trans e esse. Look, another accusative infinitive. This is actually pretty simple. You guys can do this. Oh, and then keep going. Caesaris reliquorumque hiberna oppugnari. Okay, and then this is the third accusative infinitive that they're saying. Notice this is genitive, and this is genitive. So this entire genitive phrase is modifying the winter quarters. Accusative, past infinitive. The winter quarters of these guys are being attacked. So these are all the things that they're saying. And of course we know by now that they're lying through their teeth. Adunt etiam de Sabine morte, ambir rigum ostentant, videi faciende causa. Okay, prepositional phrase here. The unfortunate genitive of Sabinus, talking about whose death. Main verb, of course, is adunt. And then we have another main verb here, ostentant. Ambir rigum, direct object of that. And look at this nifty construction. Causa plus an nd word always shows for the sake or the purpose of. For the purpose of what? Of making faith. And for those of you who are true grammar nerds, you would notice that faciendi is a gerundive that agrees with videi in case, number, and gender. Causa plus a gerundive is for the sake of doing that thing.